Let's design some custom cabinetry with AiHouse ANZ. Select the Draw tool and draw a room to design your cabinetry in. On the left-hand side menu, select Customize, then select the System Cabinet tool. In the top right-hand corner, switch the view to Roam to design the cabinet. In the top menu, select the cabinet icon. This will open a new menu. Select the Cabinet tab and then Create. Let's use the box cabinet template for this tutorial. Here we can customize the dimensions and select Create. Your cabinet carcass will now appear in the room ready for you to design. If you would like to move your cabinet, toggle back to the Cabinet tab where you can freely move it. To begin the design, select the Space tab. Select the Divide menu to add and customize shelves and dividers. Here you can choose to add vertical shelves, horizontal shelves and front-back division of shelves. You can adjust how many you want here. Now I will go back into Divide and add my shelves. The shelves automatically space out evenly, however. You can adjust this in the proportional table on the right. Now let's add in some doors. Here you can select your door panel type and customize. On the right-hand side we can make adjustments and change the material of the cabinetry. You can also select and add in your handles. Here you can adjust the size and placement of your selected handles. To change the material of a shelf, you will need to toggle back to the Plate tab in the top menu. Select the Style tab on the right menu and you can select your finish from the library. You can also further customize your shelf here. Then select your cabinet with the Cabinet tab to save your custom design.